నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం నెంబర్ 3. ఇప్పుడు 2 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేసాం. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం నెంబర్ 3. ఫైండ్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఏ లోకస్. ఫైండ్ equation of locus of a point P such that the distance of P from the origin from the origin is twice the distance of P from point A to 1, 2 is twice the distance of P from A 1, 2. ఓకే, సొల్యూషన్. క్వశ్చన్ ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు? ఫైండ్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద లోకస్ ఆఫ్ ఎ పాయింట్ P సచ్ దట్ ద డిస్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ P ఫ్రమ్ ద ఆరిజిన్ ఈజ్ ట్వైస్ ద డిస్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ P ఫ్రమ్ A. అంటే ఒక పాయింట్ P x1, y1 అనుకుందాం. సో ఆరిజిన్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఆరిజిన్ 0, 0. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ A ఉంది, అది 1, 2. ఇట్లా అనుకుంటే ఆరిజిన్ నుంచి ఏకి ఆ డిస్టెన్స్ అనేది ట్వైస్ ఉండిద్ది అని అన్నాడు. అంటే ఓపీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2 into PA. ఇది గివెన్ కండిషన్. సో ఈ కండిషన్ని సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తే ఈక్వేషన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేద్దాం. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ద రిక్వైర్డ్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద లోకస్ అవుతుంది. లెట్ P x1, y1 be any point on the locus. Let the given points be A 1, 2 and given condition is OP or PO is equal to 2 into PA. Okay, so here that is square root of distance from origin to point P is x1 minus 0 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square, which is equal to 2 into square root of x1 minus 1 whole square plus y1 minus 2 whole square. Okay, squaring on both sides, we get squares and roots are cancelled each other. So x1 square plus y1 square is equal to 4 into x1 minus 1 whole square plus y1 minus 2 whole square. Okay, దీన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేద్దాం. సో దీన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే 4 into, so that is x1 square plus y1 square which is equal to 4 into, so this is A minus B formula. So x1 square plus 1 minus 2x1. Okay, this is y1 minus 2 whole square, that is equal to plus y1 square plus 4 minus 4 y1. Okay, now x1 square plus y1 square is equal to 4x1 square plus 4 minus 4 into 2 8x1 plus 4y1 square, 4 into 4 16 minus 16y1. Okay, 16y1. Here by bringing this x1 y1 on RHS we get 4x1 square minus x1 square plus 4y1 square minus y1 square, so remaining values as it is, minus 8x1 minus 16y1, 4 plus 16 which is equal to 20 is equal to 0. So that means 4x1 square minus x1 square, that is equal to 3x1 square plus 3y1 square minus 8x1 minus 16y1 plus 20 is equal to 0. This is the equation we get to the point x1 comma y1. So the required equation of the locus is, by removing the points x1 y1 and substituting x comma y, we get the required equation of the locus. So therefore the required equation of the locus is 3x square plus 3y square minus 8x minus 16y plus 20 is equal to 0. So it is the required equation of the locus. Okay, next problem number 4. If the distance from P to the points P to the points points 2 comma 3 and 2 comma minus 3 are in the ratio are in the ratio 2:3, then find the equation of the locus. Then find the equation of the locus of P. Okay, solution. So first, the distance from P to the points, P is one point in the locus, so the distance from P to the points 2 comma 3 and 2 comma minus 3 are in the ratio 2:3. So ఒక పాయింట్ P నుంచి 2 comma 3కి 2 comma minus 3కి డిస్టెన్స్ 2:3 అని ఇచ్చారు. ఓకే, దాని ప్రకారం ఆ కండిషన్ ఉపయోగించుకొని ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద లోకస్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, హియర్ P పాయింట్ x1 comma y1, so he is the point A 2 comma 3 and he is the point B 2 comma minus 3. ఓకే, సో ఈ రెండింటి మధ్య డిస్టెన్స్ రేషియో ఇచ్చాడు, దట్ ఈస్ PA is equal to PA is to PB is equal to 2:3. ఓకే, ఈ కండిషన్ ఉపయోగించి మనం ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద లోకస్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో లెట్ PB ఎనీ పాయింట్ P x1 comma y1 B any point on the locus, let the given points be A is equal to 2 comma 3 and B is equal to 2 comma minus 3. Okay, so given condition is PA is to PB is equal to 2:3, which means PA by PB is equal to 2/3. Okay, by cross multiplication we get 3 PA is equal to 2 PB. Okay, now squaring on both sides we get 9 PA square is equal to 4 PB square. Okay, that equal to 9 into PA square means distance from P to A formula. That is x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus 3 whole square, which is equal to 4 into x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 plus 3 whole square, which is equal to 9 into x1 square plus 4 minus 4x1 plus y1 square plus 9 minus 6y1 by applying a minus b whole square formula, and which is equal to 4 into x1 square plus 4 minus 4x1 again plus y1 square plus 9 plus 6y1. Okay, so y1 plus 3 whole square formula, here we get y1 square plus 9 plus 6y1. So by solving this, so multiplying this equation with 9, so 9x1 square plus 9 4s are 36 plus 9 4s are 36, which is equal to minus 36x1 plus 9y1 square plus 9 9s are 81 minus 9 6s are 54y1, which is equal to multiplying 4 with this equation, 4x1 square plus 4 4s are 16 minus 16x1 plus 4y1 square plus 36 plus 4 6 are 24y1. So here by solving this we get 9x1 square minus 4x1 square, 5x1 square plus, so 9y1 square minus 4y1 square. So by taking all these terms into LHS, subtracting and solving, we get 9y1 square, so minus 4y1 square, that is 5y1 square, or you can write this 9x1 square plus 9y1 square minus 36x1 minus 54y1. So here 36 plus 81, which is equal to, so this is 7, so 8 plus 3 11, so 117 minus 4x1 square, by taking all these terms to LHS, minus 4x1 square minus 4y1 square, and next minus in minus here side plus 16x1, so minus 24y1, here 16 plus 36, which is equal to 52 minus 52 is equal to 0. So again now, so solving this, 9x1 square minus 4x1 square, that is equal to 5x1 square. So 9y1 square minus 4y1 square, that is equal to plus 5y1 square. So this is minus 36x1 plus 16x1, that is equal to minus 20x1. So here 54y1 minus 24y1. So here we have minus 24y1 and minus 54y1. So we get minus 78y1. Okay, 78y1, and subtracting 52 from 117. We get 48 plus 65. So this is plus 65 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the locus, which is in terms of x1 and y1. So which is in the terms of x1 and y1. Therefore, by reviewing x1 and y1, we get the equation of the locus. Therefore, the required equation of the locus is 5x square plus 5y square minus 20x plus 78, so minus 78y plus 65 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the locus. So again we solve another equation. Find the equation of the locus. Problem number 5. Find the equation of the locus of P. Find the equation of the locus of P if A is equal to 2, 3, B is equal to 2, minus 3, and PA plus PB is equal to 8. Solution. Okay, equation of the locus, we have to find the equation of the locus. Given points A and B, and the given condition is also there. So it is easy to find the equation of the locus. So let P x1 comma y1 be any point on the locus. Given points A is equal to 2, 3, B is equal to 2, minus 3. Given condition is PA plus PB is equal to 8. So squaring on both sides we get PA plus PB whole square is equal to 8 square, which means PA square plus PB square plus 2PA into PB, which is equal to 8 square means 64. Okay, so PA means distance from point P to A. So that is here the point x1 comma y1, and here is the point A, which is 2, 3, and here is the point B, which is equal to 2, minus 3. So given condition PA plus PB is equal to 8. Okay, now the distance between 2 points. Okay, formula square root of, on squaring we get the square and roots are cancelled, so we need not try to square and the total equation. Okay, so PA square means, so x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus 3 whole square plus pb square means x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 plus 3 whole square. Again plus 2 into pa into pb, that equal to, so here we cancel the two roots are square roots are cancelled, so we can write this directly. So x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus 3 whole square into x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 plus 3 whole square, so which is equal to 64. Okay, by solving this we get, so x1 square, x1 minus 2 whole square, here x1 minus 2 whole square, so this is 2 into x1 minus 2 whole square, so we get 2 into x1 minus 2 whole square. Now here y1 minus 3 whole square plus y1 plus 3 whole square, so by solving this, so here directly we can solve and write here. So x1 square plus 4 minus 4x1, okay, this is 2 into x1 minus 2 whole square, so that is x1 square plus 4 minus 4x1 plus, so here y1 minus 3 whole square, that is y square plus 9 minus 6 y1 plus y1 square plus 9 and plus 6 y1. Okay, and next we have plus 2 into, so by solving and multiplying this we get so solving this, x1 square plus 4 minus 4x1 plus y1 square plus 9 minus 6 y1 into x1 square plus 4 minus 4x1 plus y1 square plus 9 plus 6 y1, which is equal to 64. So 64, here we have 2 into, so by solving that one we get, okay, 2x1 square plus 8 minus 8x1 plus y1 square plus 9 plus, so 2y1 square, here we have 2y1 square, so here minus 6y1 and plus 6y1 are both get cancelled, plus 18, okay, plus 2 into, so multiplying this with, we get x1 square, so multiplying these two we get x1 square plus 4 minus 4x1 and plus y1 square plus 9 minus 6 y1 into x1 square plus 4 minus 4x1 plus y1 square plus 9 plus 6 y1 is equal to 64. So by simplifying this, we get this is 2 into x1 square plus y1 square, okay, minus 8x1 plus 24 So by multiplying this with each other, we get plus 2 into x1 square plus 4 plus 4x1 plus y1 square plus 9 minus 6 y1 and x1 square plus 4 plus 4x1 and y1 square plus 9 plus 6 y1 is equal to 64. Okay, so by solving this, we get by solving all this, we get 16x square plus 7y square minus 64x minus 48 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation in point P x1 comma y1. Therefore the required equation of the locus is 16x square plus 7y square minus 64x minus 48 is equal to 0. So it is the required equation of the locus. And another problem number 6. Find the equation of the locus of a point which is equidistant from the coordinate axis. Okay, given question is, so find the equation of the locus of a point which is equidistant from the coordinate axis. Here we have the coordinate axis x and y. So here it is the origin, say 0 comma 0. Okay, so here is the point P x1 comma y1 which is equal distance from the coordinate axis. Here is the distance is y and here is the distance is x. Okay, so now we have to find the equation of the locus. Let P x1 comma y1 be any point on the locus, let let the given condition is, the given condition is what is the given condition? Which is equidistance from the coordinate axis. Coordinate axis to it is equal distance. Okay, let this point be A and this point be B. So here is the point x comma 0 comma x comma 0 and this is y comma 0 comma y, say. So given condition is equal distance, that is PA is equal to PB. So we get x1 minus, so here points means A is equal to x comma 0 and B is equal to 0 comma y. So x1 minus x whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square, and which is equal to square root of x1 minus 0 whole square plus y1 minus y whole square. Squaring on both sides we get, so which is x1 square plus x square minus 2x1x plus y1 square, which is equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus y square plus y square minus 2y1 y. Okay, so on both sides x square and x1 square and y1 square and y1 square are get cancelled. So remaining equations x square minus 2 x1x is equal to y square minus 2 y1 y. Okay, so now x square minus y square minus 2 x1x plus 2 y1 y is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the locus on point P x comma y. Therefore the required equation is of the locus is removing x1 y1, replacing x1 comma y1 by x1, we get x square minus y square minus 2x into x plus 2 y into y is equal to 0. So here x square minus y square minus 2 x square plus 2 y square is equal to 0. So this is minus x square plus y square is equal to 0. Therefore x square minus y square is equal to 0 is the required equation of the locus. Okay. Next question. So problem number 7. Find the locus of third vertex of a right angle triangle whose ends of okay, find the locus of the third vertex of a right angle of a right angle triangle the endpoints of whose hypotenuse are hypotenuse are 4, 0 and 0, 4. Okay, solution. Let P x1, y1 be any point on the locus. So what is the question is given? Find the third vertex, locus of the third vertex of a right angle triangle with the endpoints whose hypotenuse are 4, 0 and 0, 4. Okay, here we have a right angle triangle. So let A is equal to 4, 0 and B is equal to 0, 4. Okay, from Pythagoras theorem we have so here is the point P x1, y1. So what we have to find the locus of the third vertex of a right angle triangle. So right angle triangle means, so this is right angle triangle. Let this one be A 4, 0 and this one 0, 4. Okay, so this is the perpendicular P from A to B. Okay, from Pythagoras theorem we have here P x1, y1 be the perpendicular from AB. So that is PA square plus PB square is equal to AB square. So which means the distance between P to A, that is x1 minus 4 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square plus x1 minus 0 whole square plus y1 minus 4 whole square, which is equal to AB distance. AB distance means 4 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square. Okay, so by solving this we get x1 square plus 16 minus 8x1 plus y1 square plus x1 square plus y1 square plus 16 minus 8 y1, which is equal to 16 plus 16. Okay, here plus 16 plus plus 16 are get cancelled. We have, so the remaining terms here x1 square and y1 square. So here also x1 square and y1 square minus 8x1 minus 8y1. So by adding this 2x1 square plus 2y1 square, and here 8x1 and 8y1. So minus 8x1 minus 8y1 is equal to 0. So dividing this equation with 2, we get x1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 minus 4y1 is equal to 0. So this is the equation in the point x1 comma y1. So by removing the points and replacing it by x comma y, we get the required equation of the locus. Therefore the required equation of the locus is given by x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y is equal to 0. So it is the required equation of the locus.